can't get me.
Eyeliner? Can you order online?
You're not fast enough.
Like, bro, when I go to lift my leg up and get on the ladder from downstairs, I literally have to, like, grab my leg.
Heavy duty one?
Yeah, he's got a heavy duty set, yeah.